Mbeumo. Mbeumo is on his way. Sanchez makes his mind up early and just
turn over the pace of those forward players.
Early on here this evening, any opportunity they get, they are sending it in. Mbeumo picked up this knock as he looked to turn away and move to as well. Mbeumo, first real run at the Chelsea defence. Roslev rolls it back down.
He's been in, you can tell from his body language.
Too early, the flag stays down and Mbeumo too early there.
I think it's been a pretty good defensive.
Clips it back in, Pinnock there this time. Caicedo and Mbeumo sends.
Invariably with a lot of these players, a really tempting option for Thomas Frank.
Robert Sanchez, Lewis Potter does well, drags Brentford over. Having had so much of the ball and had plenty of goes at goal, the back to Mbeumo. Mbeumo's cross comes in, Damsgaard looking to get.
Had in Chelsea territory a few moments ago.
Here's Mbeumo. And Brentford will feel that they will. Mbeumo picks up a good position, links up with on Chelsea so far. Mbeumo angles it into the area. Sanchez. Mbeumo, flat delivery to the front.
Well, they keep it alive really well. It's an outstanding save.
Mbeumo plays it in area. Mbeumo.
Frank here.
Mbeumo back to goal. Rolls it out to Adja. Change the mood and create a bit of tension. Mbeumo.
Again, I think, Jackson, just put your left foot through it.
Anel pushes it forwards. Might open up for Mbeumo, who gets there. Sanchez. Goal there from Moise Caicedo. Enzo Fernandez then Cook. Mbeumo, and he's away here. Can he bring Brentford back into this game? Well, this one isn't settled just yet. Bryan and Mbeumo. It is game on here. Around him with possession. Caicedo comes in and he swats in from right back.
Yeah, probably the first.
But he's beaten to it by Cook.
Yeah, Ethan Pinnock maybe just trying to be a little deliberate there when the ball